Hi, I'm Laura from Pilates Process, and I'm here to demonstrate one of my favorite all-time Pilates exercises, the side bend. Certainly not everybody's favorite. So this is what this exercise looks like. You're in this kind of elegant side start position, and we press the hands and feet into the mat to come to this nice in the air side bend and a control back down. Press down to lift up. It has a part 2. But often we just do the part 1. So a few things with this. Part of the trickiness is that the setup is not exactly the same for everyone. It's really affected by structure and mobility. So the bottom knee is bent, the top foot is nestled in front. Some people can do it with the feet quite ways in. Other people find their knees won't straighten all the way and have to shuffle a little further out, which I find I do. Another tip on this, it's instinctive to start with that front foot all the way turned out and the toes pointing that way, but that makes it really tricky in this upright position, and it tends to bring the hips back. So if we can just nudge those toes forward a little bit, it feels like you're turning in the lower leg a little bit. Doesn't feel super great in the starting position, but much nicer when we're up there. The third thing with this, I feel that pushing down quickly. You can only do this so slowly. So push down with the hand and the feet directly down at the same time that you do a quick lift and a quick drawing in of the inner thighs to make that picture. We can slow down the return for sure, but try and press up in one piece. The last thing here, with the upper body, the goal is to be in a true side bend, but if we roll the ribs a little forward and if you aim for a slight spiral towards the mat, then that's not such a bad thing and might make it a bit more stable. Okay, certainly don't want to go into a back bend here and arch. So if you're new to it, I would suggest thinking of a spiral towards the side bend you're going towards. All right, hopefully those little tips can help you learn to love the side bend as much as me.